The heating industry is changing. Plumbing and heating engineers need to stay ahead of the curve to secure the future of their business. Plumbing and heating is changing quite dramatically, and if you look at air source heat pumps, because their efficiency is so high, people are looking at this and realising that it doesn't just give an ethical benefit, but actually a financial and tangible benefit that way. Instead of it being a standard conventional boiler that you're installing, you're actually installing devices inside and outside of the home. It's plumbing and electrical, so the skill set is completely different to a standard boiler installation.
The course is designed for plumbing and heating engineers, and this is a great opportunity to future-proof your business, to expand on your skills, those great skills and knowledge that you already have. This is only going to enhance them further. It's really important to us here at 3T that you're not just in the classroom looking at a PowerPoint. That's why we have a blended approach. It's part practical, it's part theory, to ensure you get all the skills and knowledge that you need to be successful in this qualification. There's funding available for installers to help customers get the installation done at a discounted price, and there's also funding available for training. We've got thousands of heat pumps to go in across the UK. You're future-proofing your skills and your business long term.
The Warm Homes Plan from the government states that there will be circa 500,000 additional heat pump installations towards the back end of this decade. That's a significant volume of new installs for new homes. And if you consider the retrofit market as well, then there are going to be significant opportunities. So if you'd like to expand your skills to grow your business in low carbon heating, get in touch today to book your course.